thought of it, I was like, okay, maybe it would sound dope as far as hydraulic because you get a good bounce.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah,
so it's
yeah.
like opposed to where wood, you know, of course you get like there's always some type of tone.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's always So I think that's the amazing thing is like with the heads, my personal opinion.
Yep.
With hydraulic heads or some type of clear head, I think these are like, I think these could be some of the. No, I'm being serious right now. I think they can be like, you can move them, you can use them as far as like track drums,
Yep.
Electric drums, because depending on the head you use, the toms all have like the same sound for some reason. Like it's not like I said, no overtone,
Yep.
and everything is like even. It
Yep.
just depends on your tune, of course. You know?
Yeah, exactly.
But I think the hydraulic heads or some type of clear is like the best for these drums, y'all. So,
I'm a big fan of the 2-ply clear heads.
Yes.
I love those.
it's the best.
Yeah, I'm telling you though, these hydraulics, dude. These hydraulics, you don't really need the muffling. We're just cultivating it for the overheads. That's it. A little love for the overheads, a little extra love for the whang on the floor tom. Otherwise, dude, you really don't need anything. That's just the beauty of the hydraulics. Eric Boots Greene was correct in his selection.
Hey, man,
Come
listen,
on.
I play drums. I'm a textile inside. Don't forget.
Yeah,
Because
baby.
Ken does this, but I gotta know what I'm doing.
Ah.